10 Steps to Invest $50,000 in Gold IRA for Retirement. Planning for retirement demands foresight and careful financial decisions. Investing $50,000 in a Gold IRA offers stability through precious metals. Here's the guide. 1. Understand a Gold IRA. Unlike traditional IRAs, it lets you invest in gold, silver, platinum, or palladium, diversifying your wealth. 2. Choose a custodian. Pick a reputable custodian specializing in precious metals IRAs. Compare fees and storage options. 3. Know IRS regulations. Learn IRS rules on eligibility, contribution limits, and approved metals to avoid penalties. 4. Set financial goals. Assess your retirement plans and risk tolerance to determine your investment amount. 5. Consult a financial advisor. Get personalized advice from an advisor skilled in retirement planning and metals investments. 6. Select metals. Decide on gold or other metals based on market conditions and your goals. 7. Open your account. Complete paperwork with your chosen custodian and fund your IRA with $50,000. 8. Purchase approved metals. Buy IRS-approved metals that meet purity standards and store them securely. 9. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to match your goals and market changes. 10. Stay informed. Keep updated on economic trends and adjust your strategy for long-term growth. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize a $50,000 investment in a Gold IRA for a secure retirement. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.